Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make some fish today. Really simple method. It's absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to need a pan of some sort. You can see the one I've got, and I've just laid slices of lemon on the bottom. We're going to take our fish. I'm using this dory fish today. You could use a different fish if you want. This is nice and light, this fish. Cooks very easily. In that goes. Next up, I'm going to put in some fresh ginger. You can cut it how you want. Fairly sort of large pieces I've put. Cut it smaller if you want. Small amount of garlic. That's just like a teaspoon or so there. Some salt. Some black pepper. And then I have 2 tablespoons of a light soy sauce. And then just some water. About 4 tablespoons. Very simply, we're going to put a lid on that, get it on the cooker. So medium heat, not too high. Lid on, and because this fish is quite a delicate fish, it will cook really quickly. It's just going to be about 6 to 7 minutes. Very, very simple. Okay, so the lid's off, and that is beautifully cooked. Off goes the heat. That was just like 6 minutes, job done. Okay, there you go. So just serve that with a little bit of green onion on the top. It really is very, very simple to make and delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.